guys, so welcome back to Vology. So guys, my son is going to be so because you know his birthday was on November the 7th. He was 23 years old, and unfortunately yesterday he lost his dad. So guys, in between that, I sat there waiting to see if I can put my hands on the PS5 and the controllers. Guys, yesterday was a very hard day for him, but I think I'm going to cheer him up a little bit today. Why, guys? Because I was one of the ones that did get the PS5 and the controllers, and it came today. So if you want to see the unboxing of the PS5, well, stay tuned. So guys, can you guess what's in this box? It's the PS5. So guys, we are going to do this unboxing together. So I have already pre-opened this box. And let me tell y'all guys, the weight, guys, the how much it weighs. So guys, look, it's the PS5. So let me get it out of here. So guys, should I call him downstairs and he do the unboxing? Because it would be an utterly surprise, because he has absolutely no clue. So guys, what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop the video right now, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get him, I'm just gonna give him the box, and I am gonna have him to open the box let's see his reaction. He's camera shy, so I might not put his face on because this child is so camera shy. He don't like being on cam. So guys, what I'm gonna do, let's close the box back, guys. Yeah, because see, on the outside of the box, I can't show you this has my address, and I don't want y'all at my house. We will not have that. So I'm gonna see if I can close the box this way. Oh, Lord. Okay, guys, y'all think that's good enough? I don't think he can't tell what's in it. So, guys, I'm going to stop the video. I'm going to call him downstairs, and I do have two controllers. So, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to hide the controllers so he can't see them. So I done hid the controllers behind the pillows. So this is going to be a super duper surprise for him. Oh my God. Oh my God. So guys, let me get him and stay tuned. Okay guys, I had to move the camera back. So hold on guys, because I'm about to be live. Come here, because I got something for you. So come here. Come here. Come on and sit by mother. So, you know, you just had your 23rd birthday. And unfortunately, yesterday, you lost your dad. Something you have been saying that you wanted, I wanted to make sure that you had it. And I know your dad is looking down smiling because this is something that he knows ever since this other thing came out so many years ago when you were little, that he was a part of that one. Also, no, I can't tell you but so much because you know what it is. So, I got you on camera just in case, because you know you be flinching. This child flinch, y'all. Because mama loves you. And, of course, your dad loves you to pieces. This is your birthday gift. I had to pre-open it, so go ahead and open it. So guys, what I'm gonna do is let him do the complete unboxing to it. And this thing is heavy, guys. It might be light to him, but to me, whoo, girlfriend. So here, you wanna put it on the table, you're gonna put it on the floor. And y'all, this is my oldest baby, my oldest. Girlfriend is getting young. Look at him, look at me. And I'm the mama. So guys, what this is the PlayStation 5. Mama's good, is it? Okay, so what you need to do, guys, I also have an additional surprise for you. I think what we're gonna do to do the complete unboxing, guys, because you could do an unboxing, we're gonna take it to his room and he's gonna show you by setting it all up on his television and give you some of the things, because this child has been doing homework on this. So besides that, I also have another little surprise. And I just might have another little surprise. So you got controllers too. So how you feel? You feel old or you still feel brand new?
Old.
If you feel old, that means I feel young. So guys, for his first, this child has had the PS1, 2, 3, 4, 4 Pro, and now he has the PS5. So ever since they started PlayStation, he has had every last one of them. His PlayStation 3, I think your dad and grandmama bought the PlayStation 3. He still has that PlayStation 3. The PlayStation 1 and 2, they threw them in the trash can. Get that. So, so right now he has the 3, 4, 4 Pro, and the 5. I'm not sure, guys. He may be putting the 4 up for sale, not the 4 Pro. So if you are interested in purchasing the PlayStation 4, please do DM me. I am Vology on Instagram if you are interested. So guys, I'm gonna end it right here. We are gonna go to his bedroom and he's gonna complete unbox this and set it up. So stay tuned. Okay guys, this is his current PS4 Pro. So here you can see he has controllers over here, his Apple TV, and he has the limited edition, which is the Star Wars. I don't know what that is, don't ask me. And he has another controller, and this is his television. So guys, I'm gonna just record. He's gonna set this up, and here we go.
It's the end of the world, Illuminati is coming. Gather the boys and girls and watch as it all unfurls. They clutching at all their pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track, back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich,
This is gonna take like 2 hours.
God dang. Didn't I call that cool? And that cool ain't asking.
If I take 20 years,
Her hair look like thing one and thing two.
actually, what I can do is do this later, and then when the home screen pops up, and like you can end it there, that way you can show the home screen.
Yeah, so you won't be able to play nothing?
Not right now, but like once I transfer everything, I will.
So what you want, the home screen to come up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I know a lot of people be like, shit, that's home
Right.
screen.
That's the one. Guys, this is actually the PlayStation 1. Oh my gosh.
Labo, that's one.
It's a PlayStation Labo. Oh goodness, look how this thing is walking, guys. Just so absolutely cute. So PlayStation, what you need to do is come out with one of these little characters where they can actually have these. Oh, look at it dancing.
All in mind if you don't listen that much, but some of y'all don't listen at all. The same shit they be pushing your buttons. Got a grown man having withdrawals. I don't mind if you don't listen that much. Yo, I just mind what you say for the crowd, cause some of y'all don't listen at all. Some of y'all don't answer that call. Realize the movie that I was watching, it's the end of the world. Illuminati is coming. Gather the boys and girls and watches it all unfurls. They clutching at all they pearls and no one asking for guidance. Stimulus check, won't you cash app that? I got niggas and they said that respect they black. Politicians and they said don't know how to act. That's why we sitting on the wrong track. Back to the long track. And it's okay to be rich. My mama always told me I was destined for greatness, but my mama also she told me take care of the kids and everybody around the world that can't fight for it. So it's Hakuna Matata, beast on the water. Pray to provider, please don't divide us. Keep that and try to face your intruder to be someone bright.